Hey guys, so I decided to take a spontaneous trip to Arizona with my favorite girls, so here's what we did. We just arrived here in Arizona right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how beautiful it is. All I see right now are mountains, but let's go ahead and see what beauty lies in this state. Look at all these cacti. It's so cute. I'm in love with this desert vibe. We're still in the airport though, everyone, so it's not like I've seen much. Dutch Bros!
Oh my god, they have a peppermint bliss.
Look how long this line is, everyone. Let's see what the hype is about Dutch Bros.
And then sweetener, what do you have as sweetener?
Like sugar packets?
Oh, because it's very sweet, right? No, never mind.
Yeah, the hazelnut's already the sweetener in there.
Okay.
That grand total's coming up to $23.75.
Oh my gosh, peppermint bliss looks delish. Alright, we are on our way to Sedona, so we decided to stop by Dutch Bros because apparently this place is huge. It's big. Look at this line. It's like in and out, but for coffee. And so I ordered the peppermint bliss, and I'm so excited. So let's see what it tastes like.
So what didn't you order?
What didn't I order?
Everything
Oh my gosh,
else?
there's so many good flavors. There's like caramel. What is it? Caramel?
Cinnamon swirl.
Cinnamon swirl. All these like delicious
I
flavors.
didn't mind the hazel.
Oh, and
All I
hazelnut.
remember.
I know. So let's see. Do you mind if I vlog a little bit? Do you mind if I vlog?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
But yeah, what else are you guys up to today? So just driving to Sedona. Have the rest of you guys ever been? I have. Oh, yeah.
No,
It's so
never.
pretty. Especially, there's like this one rock that you'll turn, and then like, cause it takes a while to see the red rocks, but you'll see like this one big rock, and then you pass it, and then it just like hits you with like all the red rocks. It's crazy.
I have my drink right over here. Look how pretty the top is. Like I just want to look at it right now. It looks delicious. And okay, that whole experience was honestly so amazing.
She was so nice.
She was so nice. Everyone was so nice. Like
Yeah.
apparently the experience here at Dutch Bros is different like no other because everyone's known to be super friendly, have top-notch customer service. Everyone has amazing social skills. They do conversations with you and just so nice. So that's why as you saw, a lot of the people here were talking to us and telling us about Arizona. So now let's go ahead and try. All right, so here's the drink.
It's fine. Can you move it up? I don't know. Maybe to like 3.
It's really good. I mean, yeah, I think I have to mix the top of this, but I would recommend going to Dutch Bros just because of the experience, and I think the flavors are really outstanding. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it's really good. Hers
I
is
love it.
better.
Yeah. Oh my
You
gosh.
should let Jackie have this.
Love it. Oh yeah, what is this one?
This one's a caramel pumpkin.
Okay, this is the
Ready.
caramel pumpkin fall vibes. Thank you very much.
That's better than mine.
It's better. Yeah, it's better than mine too.
I want to try yours.
It tastes so good. Yours is better than the Starbucks like pumpkin spice latte.
This has a good pumpkin spice flavor.
Oh,
Okay.
Love it.
May you always find your way to higher ground.
Hey everyone. Say hi. Say hi. So right now we are in Sedona and cue the montage of the beautiful red rocks.
Diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. So you make.
Isn't it beautiful, everyone? So now we're in the Creekside Bistro in Sedona, Arizona. Absolutely beautiful, breathtaking. I'm in awe. It is just the most beautiful place. And we're eating outdoors right now. And it's just, look, you can see the red rocks right over there. It's perfect. Let me show you the food. I'll get the prickly pear spritzer, as well as the where is it? Ahi tuna tartar nachos. Yes, thank you.
Can I please have? I just want to do your lamb chops.
Lamb chops, there you go. Pork chop, maybe.
I got the prickly pear spritzer because I do not want alcohol right now. This is so delicious. Who knew that prickly pear was sweet and amazing? What? This tastes so good.
Prickly come from? Oh, because the pear is prickly.
Yeah, and it's really sweet. Try it. It's so good.
You have to squeeze your lime and then like.
Oh yeah, let's squeeze the lime. Yeah, I don't want alcohol because I got kind of nauseous in the car ride and I get car sick very easily. Look at the beautiful nature. Okay, try it. Right? Am I right?
Up and above, you will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my.
This ahi tuna nachos is like one of the best things I've ever had. I don't know, but it's just I love the flavor of raw fish mixed with these wonton nacho chips. So good.
It's been a long time since you.
In the Airbnb, and this is our neighborhood for the next couple of days. Woo! All right, we just arrived, and here is the beautiful Airbnb. I'm so in love with it already. You walk in, and it's a beautiful white hallway. Then right over here is my room, but it's just me staying over here. But this is room number 1, and it's absolutely precious. And I'm gonna do a lot of filming when I'm here because it just looks so cute. Here's the laundry room. This is where my auntie is staying. Say hi.
Hi guys.
All right. Here is the cute bathroom. Hello. And yeah, it looks so beautiful. Here is the living room. Again, we arrived at night, so you know the lighting isn't the best. And here is the master room with this beautiful bathroom. Oh my goodness, look. And they have all the sheets here, pillows, towels, and this huge walk-in closet. Wow. I'm in my room now because I'm gonna change. I have to do a few more things before we relax tonight. But, oh my goodness, this mattress is foam. I mean, out of foam, and it just feels so good on the body. But anyway, this house is so spacious. It has so much good lighting that I cannot wait to film. I want to even just film like sit down videos here in this house and other YouTube videos. It's going to be so much fun. So very excited about that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour. Guys, this kitchen though, it looks like I have my own cooking show right now. Like, just imagine if you see me cooking in this kitchen. It is just so pretty. Hey everyone, welcome to the Jackie Show of Cooking. To make my famous homemade blueberry crumble pie. I remember one time during this wonderful fall day, it really made the house smell like a grandma. It makes the house smell like the cookies that my famous mama just made. Come on in. Come on. So now we're gonna heat the oven to 375 degrees. Just the warmth of this place just makes me feel like I'm back in my grandma's arms. So, we need to spray this real quick with my pan. And cut.
Okay.
the next day now, and my mom really wanted some cookies. She always craves cookies and wants cookies from like every state. So right now we are gonna be at Urban Cookies Bake Shop. They have amazing cookies here. But if you didn't know, I'm loving Arizona so far. Also, Phoenix is a very artistic city as well. So let me show you some of the murals that are in this area. How are you liking Arizona so far?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful, right?
state.
It's
Yeah.
beautiful,
Clean.
clean. It kind of gives me SoCal vibes, but cleaner.
Yeah.
Right?
Newer,
It does.
more modern.
Yeah, and more deserty. So I got mole negro, so it's black mole. I'm so excited about it. And I don't know what this is, but it all looks so delicious. Starring Jackie.
Your turn.
You want to see? You want to do it? No? You don't want to do the walk? Here, let me show
Yeah,
you.
do the round. You're not supposed to be smiling, dude.
Okay.
You were smiling. You shouldn't be
I know.
smiling.
Yeah.
How about Ruth?
Hello everyone! We are about to leave the house now, and so sad I wasn't able to really film in this beautiful house. It's just so, look at the background, isn't it just gorgeous? Love it! So really had an awesome time. Here's the backyard as well over there. I had so much fun, and I'm sad I'm gonna leave this house. It was just so comfy, so beautiful. You're gonna miss it, right everyone? Yeah.
That would be a good time. I wish we could stay one more or 2 more days.
Yeah, I wish. That would be nice, but you know. I know. No, I didn't go to Tucson, but we went to Sedona. We're in Tolleson right now, which is like 20 minutes. Downtown Phoenix. Where else did we go? That's pretty much it, right?
Basically all over Phoenix.
Yeah, all over Phoenix. It was absolutely a dream. I loved it. Definitely want to come back again because there's so much more to see. So much art. I was very surprised and shocked that Arizona offers this. So, how are you guys feeling?
I guess this is also like your best time to visit. It's not so hot.
Yeah, it is a good time to visit. Am I right? Because, yeah, it's not hot right now. It's like in the 70s at the moment. 70s, sometimes the 80s, but not too bad, not too bad. Anyway, everyone, let me just show you some last minute pics of me. I was feeling myself this weekend. Now, this one picture is with my hair flipped, as you can see. Loved that, with the artwork of the beautiful Phoenix. And then the other one was just me, you know, in front of the Sedona Rocks right over here. All right, everyone. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.